In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create with Section Grid in Wix Studio. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or a total beginner, this is a fantastic feature that helps you easily organize content on any Wix-based website. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you need to navigate over to the Wix website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you don't, creating an account is simple and free. So I highly encourage you to do that first. Once you're all set up or signed in, you'll need to open an existing project. Or you can decide to start fresh with a new site. This flexibility is one of the great features of Wix, catering to both ongoing projects and new inspirations. Now, once you're in your project, keep an eye out for the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. So go ahead and give it a click. A list of tools will appear, and from there, you want to select Layout Tools. Within these tools, you'll find the Section Grids option. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with a selection of templates designed specifically for grid layouts. Choose a template that suits your project style and visual identity. You can opt for something minimalistic or a bit more dynamic, depending on the effect you want to achieve. Once you've selected a template, it will be added to your page, appearing as a section container. This container is where the magic happens. The next thing you need to do is click on this newly added section container. This highlights it for editing. In the right sidebar, you'll notice an option called Inspector. Go ahead and open that. The inspector is like your command center, where you can tweak and fine-tune your grid settings and ensure everything is just the way you want it. Now comes the fun part. Placing elements inside your grid cells. Think of each cell as an individual canvas, waiting for your creative touch. You can place text, images, or any other elements here to create a visually balanced and informative section of your site. Feel free to experiment. The grid will automatically align everything forwarding for you, making design both easy and aesthetically pleasing. Once you've arranged your elements and are happy with the result, it's time to see the fruits of your labor. Click on the Preview button to view your site as if it were live. This is an important step because it allows you to experience your site just like a visitor would. Finally, if everything looks good and you're satisfied with your design, it's time to share it with the world. All you need to do now is click the Publish button, and there you have it. A stunning and professional-looking website section done in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!